Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can remove the white background from an image and make it transparent. It is very easy. You just have to click on the image first like this and then add the another layer by clicking here. Okay, and after that you have to again click on the image like this and now go to select tab and here you have to click on all. After that we will going to copy this layer, so we have to click on edit tab and now we will find for copy button. Click here. To delete this we have to hold left click on this layer and just drag it back to the dustbin icon like this. Feel the black color right here. So to do that you just have to get the black color, so we are going to click here and here just select the black color like this. Now hit on paint bucket tool, you will find here, and if you want just hold the left click and you will able to see all the options like this. So this is paint bucket tool, so we are going to select this. Moving on, we will left click here and there you go, we got the black color. Now add a mask by clicking here, and after that you have to hold alt key on your keyboard and then left click here. Now press Ctrl V on your keyboard and then we will get our image back. And the next step is now is to hit image tab right here and then you will find the adjustment tab. Here we have to click on invert and after that just press anywhere else, and there you go, we have successfully removed the white background from an image. And make it more easy for you, just press right click in this layer, you will find the convert to smart object. Click here and the image is easily movable for you like this, so you can easily make it smaller or bigger, whatever you want. So if this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.